Hello po! Good day to all of you and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cook vegetable lumpia. The list of ingredients I already put it at the start of this video. Here are the ingredients. We have cooking oil, garlic, onions, 1 piece of chicken cube, pork, cut into strips, carrots, green beans, celery, green bell pepper, and cabbage. So all the vegetables are cut into thin slices. We also have here ground black pepper, tsaka garlic salt. And meron din po tayong lumpia wrapper para pag-wrap po natin ng ating lumpia. So, napakadali lang po itong lutuin. It's so simple and it's so basic. So, let's go. Let's cook. Let's put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Okay, cooking oil. And then, ang next is yung ating pong onions. Caramelize lang natin yung onions. Okay, so isunod na po natin yung garlic. And also we can add now the 1 piece of chicken cubes. Okay. Just mix. And yung next na ilalagay natin, the pork strips. So, iba-brown lang po natin yung pork. We will just let the pork render its own fat para mas malasa po yung ating lumpia. Ayan, nag-brown na po yung ating pork. Ang next na ilalagay natin is yung carrots. Kasi the carrots cooks longer. Sunod po natin yung green beans. So, naka-high fire lang tayo. And we can also season with garlic salt. And pepper. Para mag-build na yung taste. Haluin lang natin. Hindi po natin tatakpan yung gulay. Kasi we want to retain yung crunchiness tsaka yung crispiness ng vegetables natin. Actually, what we're going to do is half cook lang po yung gulay natin. Kasi pag piprito na po natin na nabalot na ng lumpia wrapper, eh maano pa rin natin na merong pagka-crunchy at pagka-crispy. Then we're gonna add now the celery. So don't worry po kasi yung gulay, it will render its own liquid. So hindi po na talaga magda-dry yung ating niluluto. Okay, ang next na ilalagay na po natin is the green bell pepper. Wala po kasi akong red bell pepper, but if you want, kung meron kayong red bell pepper, pwede rin naman po. Ang ganda na ng kulay, oh. Wow, ang ganda na. And, like I've said, para mag-build ng, ng taste, we can add more garlic salt. And ground black pepper. Add na rin natin yung cabbage natin. Ang ganda na ng color and I can smell now. Ang bango. Huwag po nating i-overcook yung gulay. Huwag po nating lalagyan ng sabaw. Kasi i-drain po natin to, dapat walang-wala siyang sabaw talaga. And we're done! Next is we're going to wrap this vegetable sauté sa lumpia wrapper. Patay na natin ang ating stove. So guys, ang next natin is I put the vegetable sauté sa strainer kasi it has to be dry before na babalutin po natin ng lumpia wrapper. So make sure na wala siyang liquid or wala siyang sabaw. So this is a strainer, nilagay ko lang siya just to strain, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to wrap. Huwag po nating i-overcrowd yung lumpia para maganda po yung pagkakaluto. Hintayin lang po nating mag-brown siya. Okay, so nag-brown na po yung kabilang side. Ibaliktad na po natin. Wow, look at that. Mukhang masarap na. Hintayin lang po natin na maluto yung kabilang side. So, heto na po. Kita po natin golden brown na po siya. Ilagay po natin siya sa strainer. And i-serve na po natin. Okay, so gawa naman po tayo ng sausawan po natin para dito po sa lumpia. Maglagay po tayo ng vinegar. Ito po ay isang 1 clove of garlic. I minced it. Tapos meron po tayong sibuyas. Mga 1 tablespoon lang. And then we're going to put sugar, soy sauce, and nor liquid seasoning. So, lagyan po natin ng vinegar. 3 tablespoons. And then, yung next is, lagay po tayo ng soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. Tapos, dagdagan po natin ng nor liquid seasoning. Mga 1 tablespoon. Tapos, idagdag na po natin yung sibuyas. And then, 1 teaspoon of white sugar. So, meron na po tayong sausawan for our lumpia. So, ito na po ang finished product natin. So, enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notification. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na mag-like sa videos ko. Paalam po hanggang sa muli and enjoy eating. Thank you!